How's he tattooing a dick on your back, Pyro?
It's a fallen soldier, bro.
Yo. Morning, boss.
Get your weapons. Let's go.
You, put the shirt on.
It does kind of look like a dick.
Dude.
3 out. On the charge. Don't blow your balls off.
Don't worry, they're made of brass.
Are they as big as your wives? Go, go, go. Cover your sides.
Door.
Target down!
Yeah, Smith.
Down.
Clean up aisle 3. In what we do, there is only trust.
You're the heart and soul of this team.
The arrest today of a major cartel leader has led to a seizure of millions of dollars in cartel money.
McNeely?
Something off. Oh, my God.
I gotta ask you a few questions. $10 million is missing from your cartel bust. Did you steal it?
No.
2 murders of DEA agents have happened on my watch.
Why do you think the cartel's killing your guys?
It's the money.
They're watching us.
The only way to stop the cartel is to find out who stole the money.
There could be someone on my team, one of my own people.
Some of us are getting paid, the rest of us are just getting dead.
Cartel's got your wife and kid. I'm sorry.
Tell John to come for you.
Please come find me!
I'm gonna destroy them.
Is this over?
No.